Earth is a beautiful and extraordinary place. With various different habitats across the globe, home to millions of organisms, this planet is one like no other.
The world's oceans are one of nature's pride and joys. By producing a large portion of the oxygen found in the atmosphere, acting as huge carbon sinks, and providing essential food sources to all types of species, these marine ecosystems are crucial to all life on Earth.
With an increase in human activity over the past several decades, the quality of the oceans is severely decreasing, with plastic pollution and bycatch becoming more popular. Several species, including sea turtles, are facing the negative consequences of these human actions.
The problem is that sea turtles play a vital role in society, from preserving healthy marine ecosystems to maintaining the state of the food web, in addition to contributing to the U.S. economy. According to Earth.org, 6 of the 7 sea turtle species are currently being threatened to extinction as a direct result of human impacts. The daily decisions that we, as a society, make are negatively affecting these amazing animals.
Everyone talks about the urgency to save the Earth, but not much has been done about it. As concerned individuals and environmental advocates, we need to take action before it's too late. Saving the sea turtle population is just the beginning. Sea turtles help maintain the health of marine ecosystems by controlling the growth of seagrasses and algae, both of which, when overgrown, can destroy coral reef ecosystems by limiting the light they get from the sun. Without that light, they will be unable to photosynthesize and die. They are also essential for the transfer of nutrients. They eat plant matter and transfer that into nutrient-rich waste. When they release that waste near coral reefs, the coral is supplied with nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which is essential for their growth. Sea turtles are considered an indicator species, meaning their population has a direct correlation to the health of an ecosystem. Because they occupy multiple trophic levels and levels of the ecosystem, and they live for decades, their absence points to poor water quality, lack of food, and unbalanced water temperature, among other factors.
Sea turtles play a significant role in our oceans, from what they eat to what they provide. They feed on more than 200 species, ranging from jellyfish to crustaceans, regulating the populations in the oceans, which balance the food web. Jellyfish prey on fish species, so the sea turtles regulate the fish populations as well. And by carrying around barnacles, algae, and other organisms on their shells, sea turtles provide a food source for fish and shrimp.
According to Oceana.org, the Loggerhead Marine Life Center in Juno Beach, Florida, attracts 500,000 tourists annually. This center contributes approximately $60 million to the Florida tourism industry. With the amount of workers needed to keep a business like this up and running, sea turtle conservation creates hundreds of jobs, leading to an increase in the U.S. employment rate.
A large threat to sea turtle conservation is bycatch from commercial fishing vessels. Bycatch is the unwanted marine species that get caught in fishing boats' trawling nets. These nets drag the oceans, scooping up anything in their path, which unfortunately often includes endangered species like sea turtles.
Plastic pollution is one of the main causes to sea turtle population decline. As indicated in a case study that was completed at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, at least 75% of the debris ingested by sea turtles was plastic. These sea turtles mistake these pieces of plastic as sources of food, which is a major problem. The result of eating plastic leads to death.
So what can we do as a society? Raising awareness about sea turtle conservation is just one of the many possible ways that could make a huge difference.
I hoped that Blue Planet 2 would open people's eyes to the damage that we are doing to our oceans and the creatures that live in them.
How can people help make transformative change if they do not know what is going on in the first place? By spreading the word to the public, many different stakeholders, including scientists, students, environmental advocates, and politicians, can hop on board and join this conservation movement. For example,
tell your friends not to litter. Instead, tell them to properly dispose of trash and recycling in the proper waste container.
With 6 of the 7 sea turtle species currently being threatened due to extinction, we, as a society, need to take action as soon as possible.
Sea turtles are a pillar to our ocean's ecosystems, balancing food webs and contributing to the U.S. economy.
We neglect their importance, and it is vital for everyone, including you, to take action to work to protect these important keystone species.
for more information and a place to donate, please visit the Sea Turtle Conservancy and the Oceanic Society websites to learn more.